Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best step stool folding 2-step available right now. The HillhutApex 2-step ladder. Let's start with what you immediately notice about the HillhutApex. It's sleek, lightweight, and extremely practical. This 2-step ladder is designed for home, office, and library use, and it blends style with function beautifully. The version we're reviewing today comes in an elegant white color, which gives it a clean and modern look that fits perfectly into any room. Now, if you've ever struggled with heavy or clunky ladders, this is going to be a game changer. The HillhutApex ladder is constructed with an ultra-light aluminum frame and reinforced with iron for durability. It weighs only 6.3 pounds, yet it can support up to 330 pounds. That's impressive for such a compact ladder. You can easily fold it down to just 1.8 inches wide and tuck it behind a door, between cabinets, or even hang it on a wall. It's fully assembled out of the box. No tools, no screws, no hassle. When it comes to dimensions, the open size stands at 18 by 20 by 24 inches, and when folded, it's just 18 by 1.9 by 26 inches. The top step reaches 17.7 inches high, ideal for accessing higher shelves, changing light bulbs, or reaching items in the kitchen or garage. Let's talk about safety and stability. The HillhutApex includes thick rubber foot pads that grip a wide variety of surfaces, whether it's hardwood, tile, carpet, or concrete. These anti-slip feet help prevent skidding and protect your floors from scratches. What's more, each step is wide 7.8 by 12 inches, and features textured ridges to prevent slipping. That makes it not only safe but also comfortable to stand on for extended tasks. Opening and folding the ladder is incredibly smooth, it takes just seconds. The 9-inch gap between the steps offers enough space for secure climbing without feeling cramped. And thanks to its sturdy side bracing, the structure feels stable even under load. What makes this ladder stand out is its versatility. When not in use for climbing, it can double as a plant stand on a balcony, a bookshelf in the living room, or even a temporary seat. Its minimal footprint and stylish design let it integrate into your space without looking out of place. In terms of value, the HillhutApex comes in multiple size and price options, starting around $27, depending on the step size and seller. For a high-capacity, ultra-light, space-saving, and safe ladder, that price point is incredibly reasonable. To sum it up, the HillhutApex 2-step ladder is more than just a step stool. It's a thoughtfully designed, practical, and stylish addition to your home or workplace. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a homeowner, or just need a little boost to reach those top shelves, this step ladder delivers convenience, reliability, and aesthetics in one compact package. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more hands-on reviews like this one. See you in the next video.